Hello, hello! Kumusta everyone? Hazel's Emporium here. Welcome to my channel.
Wow.
This is EXCURSION backpack, alright? So this is so perfect for this summer. So for today's video, everyone, this is from a new company. Yes, a new company named TIKONE Company or TIKONE Company. Thank you so much for reaching out to me. They send this product to me for free. I did not spend a dime to have this product. Of course, in exchange of this video, and I will do an unboxing, and definitely, as always, I will do a try on in this product. All right, so a little bit information about this TIKONE company. This is another replica store online in the market, which is very practical, very economical, very affordable. And part of that, there are so many stuff or so many products from this company. Okay, these are some of the samples, just for your own eyesight, to have an idea at least what products they are carrying in the market. So here, these are their product. And guys, oh my god, summer is here, so definitely you need something, a price for yourself. Okay, you go get yourself a price. Summer is here. Definitely TIKONE company has a lot to offer. A lot. Good price though, very affordable price, right? With a good quality material, reasonable price in a good quality material. So this is all my opinion, this is all my experience. Okay, so you go get yourself a price. Okay, so you can also use my discount coupon Hazel, $60 off. This is very helpful to our economy. You can save money from $60 off from my Hazel code, and that would definitely help you to put something on your table. Getting a product from online is very economical. Yeah, this is all my opinion. Okay, it's all up to you to decide at the end of the day. All right, so okay, so let's begin unboxing to this. I can't really wait to try this outdoor. Since summer is here, I would definitely enjoy in trying on in this summertime. Okay, so let's start the unboxing of this. Okay, so stay with me please until the end of this video. Thank you. All right, so let's begin the unboxing. Okay, please be careful when using sharp objects. Okay, all right then. All right, so here this is. Open up this. Okay, oh, look at this. Red, I love red ribbon. Okay, it's off. We got the information here in the box. We got all these paperwork here. All right, please. Oh, okay. Ooh, look at this, cute. All right, so let's put it like that. Oh, goodness, this is so cute. Look at this. So let's take this off. Okay. Look at that name and the rest. Okay, so here, very safe though. Their packaging, I would say. So great packaging, TIKONE. Thank you very much for that. And let's take this off. Okay, and remove this. Ooh, smells really good. I can tell. I can smell. Okay. Oh, fancy. Okay, take this off. Oh my God. Look at this, very cute. Okay. See, they have this kind of protection from this, okay? I just rip it up. All right. Okay, so we can carry on, all right? Guys, look at this, how protected this. Oh, see? Very protected, right? So, and this one here, all the locks has this kind of protection. Very well protected. Good job, TIKONE. Very good. Okay, so let's take this off. And here too in the other side. All right. Okay, let's proceed. So we have a magnetic lock. Look at that, magnetic lock. Okay, and I have, this is very cute pocket, right? Oh, look at that, so cute. And there's a magnet though, so it's a magnet here. So still magnetic lock with this double lock. So see how double lock, how safe this is, right? Same thing here. There's a magnetic lock and like that. Okay, so let's check here. This has a name on it. Okay, and there is another name on this portion. So I got a name here inside, made in France, right? And there is one pocket here inside, only one pocket inside. And look at how roomy is the inside of this. You see how roomy the inside is? Very roomy, huh? And oh my God, it smells just so good. Okay, so let's check one by one. Let's check thoroughly, all right? Okay, so I got this hard handle, which is very heavy duty. Yeah, and I have another name at the back. Okay, and here is the back sling, because this is an excursion backpack. All right, this is really cute, very beautiful though. And look at here. All right, this is the lock here. Oh, good, very heavy duty lock. Look at that. See, that's how heavy duty this is. All right, same thing here on the other side. See how heavy duty that lock is. And here, and here, this one. Okay, so I'll double check the lock again. There is a name on it, and another one, same thing here. Okay, and this is cute, really. See how cute this is? Huh? Front side, very cute, very beautiful. See, this is very perfect for excursion. Like even not excursion though, even just going to school, especially college women, high school would be okay too, right? If you guys have a part-time job, why not afford to buy this? Oh, and so what do you say? Isn't it so beautiful, right? Ah, smells so good, really. Smells just so good. All right. So, final look. Right? Ah, so gorgeous, isn't it? And look at the back. This is really good for outdoor outing. I would say excursion bag. This is a excursion backpack. All right. So this is so perfect for this summer. Okay. I literally love this. To the college teenagers, I would say that this is very perfect for you guys. Right? I am a teenager in heart. Yeah. So, very beautiful, no? Look at this. Here. Right? Oh, this is so gorgeous. Just so gorgeous. See? You can use this one, definitely. And at the same time, can use this backpack. Excursion. Going to school. Very perfect. So what are you waiting for? TIKONE, everything down below are their information. Please go check online, guys. And don't forget to use my Hazel $60 off. That would be very helpful. So, what do you say? Beautiful, no? This is so perfect for this summertime. Definitely is. Okay, so let's try this outdoor. Okay? Please stay with me until the end of my outdoor try on. Thank you.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's with the light. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this endless adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's with the light. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand.